Hello, I just had this thought here. The only thing that is worth arguing with, and maybe the only person that is worth arguing with, is nature. When you argue with anything else but nature, it's the waste of time. Let me give you an example. People created a lot of this paperwork called bureaucracy, documents, laws, politics, everything else. What it does, it positions itself above nature, fakely, to be frank, because no one is above nature. But these documents and laws and everything else, bureaucracy, think that they're above nature. And when you waste your time on fighting with bureaucracy, laws, documents, or other paperwork that doesn't exist, basically, what I'm trying to say doesn't exist, you're wasting your time. The only respected opponent for arguing with is nature itself. Is nature itself. Nature. You understand me? All of this superficial stuff that we invent and put paperwork into and inks into and useless efforts into, it's useless. The only worthy opponent for a thinking person is nature itself. Okay? Thank you. Live long and prosper.